Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down, all the way down actually, to find the system. Let's tap on it. Then we have to tap on backup. And this section is tightly connected with the Google account, so simply tap on turn on. As you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this Google account section, so just tap on next and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on agree after reading. Here we've got the, here we have to decide what kind of data we would like to backup, so photos and videos or other device data or both. It's completely up to you. I'll pick other device data and tap on confirm. And as you can see, here we've got this, this green notification that we just successfully added our backup account here. You can tap on backup now to initiate the process of backing up the data. And here we've got backup details, so you can check what kind of data you can back up, so photos and videos or other device data. Moreover, it's quite important that you can always turn on the option which you've omitted during the setup. So I can still turn on the photos and videos simply by tapping on this switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.